stuffed red peppers. These are from Trader Joe's. The grass-fed ground beef. I got this at the Irvine Ranch Market. Some Miracle Rice to my ground beef. This has 0 carbs. And I'm going to put string cheese inside of them and top them with sharp cheddar cheese from New Zealand, all organic, of course. First thing we're going to do is cut the tops off of our red bell peppers and take out the inside. And then I'll cut the top off and take everything out. You can also just slice these in half and stuff them. It's a little bit easier. They're easier to eat too, but they look prettier like this. This is a pound of ground beef. It's grass-fed, organic. And I will saute it in my pan with an onion, some garlic, and some spices. I have some grease from some burgers I made the other day, and this is full of flavor and spice and yum yums. So I'll saute my onion in that, and it's free. So tablespoon of it and put it in my pan on medium-high heat. Add my onions. If you didn't have the Shirataki rice, you could always use the cauliflower rice that Trader Joe's has that is frozen. I always like to have that on hand. Next, I'll add my pound of ground beef. Full of cubes of garlic. I like this frozen garlic from Trader Joe's. It's nothing but garlic. There's no preservative, which I love, and it tastes really good. This comes in these little cubes, and each cube is a clove, so I'll pop in 2 of these. Some basil that he got me from the Williams. It's fresh, but not. I don't know. What's in this box? It's fresh, but it's interesting. So I already chopped up crushed red pepper. And no salt, seasoning. Organic, of course. This one's from Costco. My mom always told me you have to get the onions into the meat, so that's what I try to do. Best way to do that is with your hand. Get some salt, some Himalayan sea salt, and ground pepper. While that's cooking, I will drain my Miracle Rice and rinse it off really good. My rice has been rinsed and drained, so I'll pop that in there now. My oven is preheating to 350, but you could also put these in the air fryer, which would be much quicker and easier, much less mess, and you wouldn't have to heat up the house. But my house is really cold, so I'm putting it in the oven. I take an aluminum tin and spray it with this cooking spray. Set my peppers in it and fill them with my meat mixture. Could have used a half a pound of meat, a half an onion, and half a bag of Shirataki rice. But let's just pretend I have 4 of these. 4 of these peppers. There you go. So I fill it about halfway, and then I use the string cheese because if I use regular cheese, it tends to ooze out of it, and then have a big mess in the pan. But the string cheese will just sit inside, and it'll be a nice little surprise when you get to the center of your pepper. And then fill it back up to the top. Top it with some shredded organic cheese from New Zealand. Kind of smush it down in there. Smush it down in there. Cook them in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And I will just freeze the rest of this. I'll put it in a Ziploc, a freezer bag, and label it, and it'll be there in the freezer. The next time I want to make these, I won't have to cook it all. They'll already be cooked. So in 30 minutes, look at these beauties. Yummy goodness. I hope this video helps you make a beautiful weeknight meal with ease and grace. Keto style, of course. Namaste.